show you that how to prepare this kind of dashboard. Like suppose here we have the total units sold and small business. There are category where we have made a sale, and here total discount, total gross sales expected, total sales and total profit. So these kind of financial summary can build that. Also, you want to know the geographical location that what is sales status, which country we are right now, what is the future planning, everything. You can track that. Also, this allow you to zoom in so you can see the location by zoom option. Here we have the category of the cells like month wise and year wise we have categories, and also we have 10 million, 20 millions. You can earn the total sales to enterprises, government, and cumulative sales. What is the status is going on? That kind of information you can pick up from here. Also, let's talk about the total sales discount by countries. Total sales as discount by countries. So this kind of chart you can prepare so that view can be much better view can be, or maybe more precise can be build your dashboard. So instead of wasting time, let's start building the dashboard. So first go to the, let's show you the measure first. So the hope you knew it. If you don't know that how to create the measure table, so you can just go to the chart, sorry, modeling. There is option new table, just add that, give the name and leave it. Like suppose, so you can just rename it, click it and rename it. Say this. Now you rename it easily. So you can easily do it. So now after that you can start building the dashboard. So let me show you the dashboard. First is cumulative. We want to know that today is 10, yesterday is 15, so we wanted to see 25. So this kind of cumulative sales can be calculated. So for this, calculate total sales, filter, select all, sales table by sales month and year. There is a column name. So less than max. So it will give you the cumulative sales. Let's talk about total sales. Simple. So to simple, just give the sum of the discount table, total discount, gross sale, sum of the gross table, profit, sum of the gross profit, total sales, sum of the total sales by midnight. There's a category of the sales by regions. It's a segment part. So all segment we have given the, so like calculate total sum be the measure which I created. And I wanted to filter this segment is equal to enterprises only. So government, small business, and I wanted to know how much unit has been sold, the total summit. And now these are passed to the passed to the uh, call card. So card, so that it will going to help you. Okay, let's start. So first part is completed. That measure, how to create the measure. So you will get this PBX in below of the video. So you can download it too. There is no problem. Okay, let's start building the dashboard. So for this, go to the visualization pane and change the background color. First, I wanted to change the background color to black, and I wanted to reduce the little bit size transparency. Maybe zero. Can keep it zero is best. So say this now looks better. That I will build you one card so that we can save the time. And similar way you can build our card. No problem. So let's build the first card here. So click on card and name it total discount. And definitely we need to arrange the size. So let's start building corrected it. I wanted to see as a color to be data label to be white background, and if you want to give an expression, yes, you can, and size to be maximum 20, nothing more than that. If you want to give font family, yes, you can. Let's talk about the category. I want to white color. I don't want to see 12 is sufficient. If you change 15, much better. But I would say that you can take a 13 is the maximum, 10, 11 maximum. After that, come to the title. Title is not required. Change the background color. So the background color we have this color. You can select that. Maybe after that, I wanted to change the landscape and border. So border is part. I want border blue, maybe dark blue, blue as per your choice. There is no substitute. Wanted to see the shadow as well and tooltip so that if someone see your tooltip can be displayed. The typical multiple will then adjust the size and keep it this way. So this way you can prepare this. So I'm going to copy and paste so that we don't have to waste the time. So this way you can build it. Let's copy paste it and adjust the size. Let's paste it. Okay. Next, copy this. The cards I have a separate video on it. You can just watch it. There is advanced level card too. So in next video you will see the advanced level cards that how would you use advanced level cards and how would you display in your screen by mapping this one and this one 3D like that. So you can also use it. Let's talk about how to add the slicer. So slicer, I'm going to copy and paste, but I can show you how to add that. For this, you need to paste it. First, to take the slicer from, you can definitely synchronize that. Okay, let's add the slicer here. So for this, click on slicer. Select the value, want to give the filter. So let's want to filter the country. So wait the country, then come to the here, select control. I don't want to select by pressing control. So close it, select all. That option is fine because it will really help us sometime. Item type, I don't want to change that and would definitely give the name, country. Next, change the font color is white and background color automatically will appear. So if you want to give yes you can. Want to give the background color this so that it will be display. Next part is the size, everything is fine. Border, I want to give the border too. So the border should be blue. Keep one color everywhere. And now the time is come to the wanted to change to oh slicer header and I wanted to change the drop down. So for this, say this. Select all total cut everything is coming. This way you can just adjust the size here and close the slicer header and then come to the background color and close the background color. That's it. You can say this is display like this. You can even adjust, still you can adjust the size. If you're not able to adjust it, go to the general, change the height and width so you can get it. This way you can share this and rename it. Let's talk about the next very important part is visual. So select this feedback and just give the total sales and country. That's it. And you can adjust it. That's done. Yeah, perfect. So just do that. So you can adjust that. Next part is that it's a normal chart. There is so I'm going to it's a normal version which is called page. It's a line stack chart, so it is allow you to uh, show the line and chart both together. And this one is called stack bar, cluster bar. So I know that you will be able to do that easily, but I can explain before going to do that. Community only build that, so you can just give the community here. Want to give the x-axis month. I wanted to display by month in below, so you can access give the month. Column I want to give the total cells, and rest I want to see the line chart. These are categories I want to see the line chart to see this line chart is coming. Next part is that title. So let's start with the title. So you can come just directly title. And definitely if you wanted to go for data label, yes, you can. It's not looking good. So let me change it out. Like so this. I want to disturb the background. Don't show background. I don't want to show the background. So not will display like this. So you can change it also if you want. And next background curve, I close. You can close it, so it will display the below background. This way also you can use it. So I think this one is looks perfect. Yeah, no. Visual is required. So visual is required. Next, we need to select the year, country, and just discount the where I created the measures. That we need to select this and pass it. And little bit adjustment you have to do that. Sometimes you are getting a problem that how they do the adjustment. And definitely, if they don't want to create the much space, you can go to the general and change the size. See, the height is 266, and this one have the general 262. So I'm going to change to 260. Now, a little bit up so that it has the now get out of this. Perfect. Now I wanted to go to the width 690, 675. 684. Now I wanted to change to 680. I change it to the so this how much 780. So I wanted to change 700. And this one to be changes to 700. This way you can adjust that. And if you like this video, so this way you can adjust. And if you have any question, if you have doubt, please don't forget to please provide a comment and below the video. Also, if you have any questions, so please share or comment. And if you like this video, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you so much.